Hey there everybody, my name is Steve, and today I'm going to teach you how to install the Autostop Eliminator from autostopeliminator.com on your Jeep Renegade. Today, I'm using a 2020 Jeep Renegade Limited with the 1.3 liter turbo. This install is only going to take you a couple of minutes. It's really not that hard. This particular Autostop Eliminator product I'm using is the AE024. And again, you can find that from autostopeliminator.com. All right, to show you how we're going to install it, let's pop open the driver's side door here. Okay, before we explain how to install the Autostop Eliminator, I want to explain how it works because that's going to help you understand what it is that we're doing. So up under the dash here, and I know what you're thinking, up under the dash sounds messy, but I promise you it's not. Up under there is a module known as the security gateway. That is what we need to connect the Autostop Eliminator to. And it's super simple, this device, this amazing device. We're going to unplug the connector from the security gateway, plug it into here, and simply plug this back into the security gateway. And what that is going to do is take our auto start stop button here and put it into the always off position. If you want your auto stop to be on, you can push the button. But instead of getting in the car and having to press the button every time, this little doohickey right here is going to take care of that button press for you. So when you start your car, it will automatically turn off the auto stop, and I will show you that after we install it. So now that we know how the Autostop Eliminator works, let's go ahead and install it together. So the plug you're looking for, here is the brake pedal. Straight up above the brake pedal. It's gonna be hard to see. I'm gonna sneak this up in here. There are two plugs, okay? So I'm going to disconnect that plug that's up on the security gateway that we've already identified. And I'm going to plug it into the female end of the Autostop Eliminator. I'm then going to take the male end of the Autostop Eliminator and plug it right back into the gateway where we removed the original plug from. And then we will test the function. Here's the plug that we removed from the gateway. Let's go ahead and connect the Autostop Eliminator. Okay, we've now connected the Autostop Eliminator. We now need to take the other end, as previously described, of the Autostop Eliminator and connect it back into our gateway. All right, got my key fob here. Let's go ahead and start the vehicle like normal. You will notice, turn off the air conditioning there. You will notice that the auto stop feature has been eliminated. In a way, it's still there. Push the button and look, now it'll start stop like it did from the factory. But when you turn the vehicle off and back on, this will come back on by default. Let's demonstrate. Vehicle's off. Let's go ahead and restart it. Like magic. Now all we got to do is take a couple of the included zip ties and use those to secure the Autostop Eliminator up out of the way so it's clear from our pedals or our feet underneath of the dash. I have now used the included zip ties to secure the Autostop Eliminator up under the dash near the security gateway as previously shown. And that concludes the installation of the Autostop Eliminator. It literally took me less than 5 minutes, all said and done, for the actual install. Again, that is the Autostop Eliminator. This is the AE024. It will work for your Jeep Renegade, just like I showed you a moment ago, and you can get it at autostopeliminator.com. Thanks for watching.